Cars, like people, need routine checkups to stay in tip-top shape. But how do you budget for vehicle maintenance and repair? Start off by understanding your vehicle's needs. A new car might require less maintenance, but an older car, it's like a charming, matured cheese. It needs more care. Next, set aside a fixed amount every month. Think of it as a car care fund. The rule of thumb? Allocate about 1 to 2% of your vehicle's value. But what if you encounter an unexpected repair? That's where an emergency fund comes in handy. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent hefty repair bills. So don't skimp on those oil changes and tire rotations. And finally, shop around for the best service prices. Not all mechanics are created equal. So there we have it. Budgeting for vehicle maintenance and repair isn't as daunting as it seems. Keep your car healthy, and it'll keep you moving. Tune in again for more tips and tricks. Until then, safe travels.